Hi, if you have a company account, you may want to set up different user types. As you can see in this company, it's called Test Company, we have two different types of accounts. One is an admin account and one is a user account. The admin account could be, for example, a purchaser or a decision-making manager. This type of account can actually set up more user accounts, and it can control the permissions that the different users have. Let's try with setup as an admin, set up a sub-user. So add the user. In the next screen, I can then add users for my team or the people who work within the same company as I. So I've now set up a new user, Consomshai JD. I have a username, email and password, and also need to assign a company role. This person will be a user. Add user. And back at the dashboard, I can see now in my company I have one more user, which is Consomshai. He's a user, and here I can then set the permissions. So click on the permission board, and in this screen I'm allowed to set different permissions for this user. We can start with the categories, where I can set what categories they're allowed to browse and what certain price range they can shop for or what volume they can shop for. I can also set a cart permission. In the cart permission, I can allow this person to share a cart. I can restrict them to cart only. And having these two selected, that means that this person can populate or put products in the cart, but they cannot check out. So this can be useful, for example, for site personnel who can later then share a cart with, for example, purchasers or manager who can then approve the request and continue directly to checkout. If I select proceed to checkout only, this perhaps could be useful for a purchaser or an administrative, somebody in administrative role. So save that one. And we can here see the different users in Test Company Limited. So the test admin, they have full rights, so they can do populate carts and go all the way through purchasing and process purchase order to try and mark. We have a user here, which we know is has some limitations on their permissions. They can go shopping and populate carts, but they cannot check out. They will then share the cart to the admin saying, this is what I want to buy, please arrange that for me. Thank you for watching.